Now dear students, in video number first, we have already discussed the meaning of rational number. In video number 2, we will discuss about irrational numbers. Here, I am going to tell you the meaning of irrational numbers. What do you mean by irrational numbers? See here, the square roots, cube roots, etc. of natural numbers are irrational numbers. Means the square root, cube root, fourth root, fifth root, and so on of what? Of natural numbers are said to be irrational numbers. But when the square root, cube root, fifth root, fourth root, seventh root of the natural numbers are said to be irrational numbers? When their exact values cannot be obtained. Example, root 2, root 3, root 7, and so on. For example, root 4 is a natural number. Square root of 4 is 2. Means we can find exact value of root 4. Therefore, it is a rational number. Another example, root of 25, which is equal to 5. Root of 25, we know the exact value of root of 25, which is equal to 5. That's why root of 25 is a rational number, but not an irrational number. See, cube root of 27, we know its exact value, which is equal to 3. Therefore, this is also a rational number, not an irrational number. But square root of 5, if we solve square root of root 5 by long division method, if we find out the value of root 5 by long division method, we are not able to determine its exact value. That's why it is an irrational number. So my dear students, the square root, cube root, fourth root, etc. of natural numbers are irrational numbers if their exact values cannot be obtained. Okay. Now, second definition of the irrational numbers. A non-terminating. Terminating means? Non-terminating means जो end ना हो. Non-recurring decimal is an irrational number. Means अगर आप किसी भी एक्सप्रेशन को लॉन्ग डिवीजन मेथड से सॉल्व करते हैं और वो एक्सप्रेशन एंड ही ना हो, वो डिवीजन चलता जाए, नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग यानी जो कभी खत्म ही ना हो, नॉन रिकरिंग ना उसमें रिपीटेशन हो, such type of expression is said to be irrational number. For example, see here, 0.424242. Here you can see 424242 repeat कर रहा है. So we can write it as 0.42 bar. Means this is rational number, expression of the rational number. But see another example, 0.31324163, रिपीटेशन भी नहीं हो, एंड भी नहीं हो, चलता जा रहा है. Such type of expressions are said to be irrational numbers. Dear students, in video number 2, we are going to prove root 2 is an irrational number, root 3 is an irrational number, root 7 is an irrational number with the help of contradiction method. यानी वीडियो नंबर 2 में हम लोग प्रूव करना सीखेंगे कि root 2, root 3 and so on irrational numbers होते हैं with the help of contradiction method. Now see, question number first. Prove that root 2 is an irrational number. To do so, let us suppose that root 2 is a rational number. Let root 2 is a rational number. Dear students, मैं आपसे कहना चाहता हूं कि whenever you use contradiction method, हमेशा आप क्या करेंगे? अपोजिट लेकर चलेंगे. आपसे पूछा गया है कि रूट टू एक इरेशनल नंबर है, लेकिन आप जब प्रूव करेंगे आप उल्टा लिखेंगे, लेट रूट टू इज ए रेशनल नंबर। नाउ सिंस रूट टू इज ए रेशनल नंबर, we let that root 2 is a rational number, and rational numbers are what, which are in the form of p upon q. Therefore root 2 is equal to a upon b in the form of a upon b, where a and b are co-primes. Co-primes क्या हो गए? Co-primes means the common factor between A and B is only 1. The common factor between A and B is 1. Now squaring both sides. Squaring both sides. 2 is equal to A square upon B square. By cross multiplication, 2B square is equal to A square. Now see, this is the most important step. See it carefully. This implies that 2 divides A square. Whenever 2 divides A square, implies that 2 divides A. Now just listen carefully. यदि किसी नंबर से, जैसे यहाँ 2 है, किसी नंबर का स्क्वायर डिवाइड हो रहा है, जैसे 2 से क्या डिवाइड हो रहा है यहाँ A स्क्वायर, तो 2 से वो नंबर भी डिवाइड होगा। इफ a स्क्वायर इज डिवाइडेड बाय 2, देन a इज आल्सो डिवाइडेड बाय 2, कीप इन माइंड। ओके, 2 डिवाइड से, सिंस 2 डिवाइड से, 2 से कौन डिवाइड हो रहा है? a, तो 2 से यदि a डिवाइड हो रहा है तो a इज द मल्टीपल ऑफ 2। दिस इंप्लाइज दैट a इज द मल्टीपल ऑफ 2 मींस a इज इक्वल टू 2c, मींस a is the multiple of 2 where c is any integer. Any integer. Okay? See, now again squaring both sides. Now again squaring both sides, a square is equal to 4c square. Now see, what is the value of a square? You can see here a square is equal to 2b square. Substitute the value of a square is equal to 2b square. 2b square is equal to 4c square. b square, 2 2s are 4, 2c square. Now again see this step very carefully. b square is equal to 2c square. 2 को यहाँ से ट्रांसफर करेंगे तो 2 divides b square. 2 divides b. Now see, if 2 divides a first and 2 divides b second. Now again see, here we have discussed that root 2 is equal to a upon b. a and b are co-primes, यानी हमने डिस्कस किया था a और b के बीच में केवल कॉमन फैक्टर क्या है? 1. बट यहाँ देखिए a is divided by 2, a is divided by 2 and here b is divided by 2, b is divided by 2 means a and b both are divided by 2. इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि हम जो यहाँ सोच कर चल रहे थे वो गलत सिद्ध हुआ। हम क्या थिंक कर रहे थे? हम थिंक कर रहे थे कि रूट 2 इज इक्वल टू a अपॉन b, बिकॉज रूट 2 एक रेशनल नंबर है, तो देयरफॉर a एंड b मस्ट बी को-प्राइम। लेकिन ये को-प्राइम नहीं निकले, ये क्या निकल कर आए? मल्टीपल ऑफ 2, मल्टीपल ऑफ 2. इट मींस आवर सपोजिशन इज रॉन्ग. इट मींस we can write it as from first and second we come to know that our supposition is wrong. कि जो हमने सोचा वो गलत है. हमने क्या सोचा जो गलत है? हमने सोचा कि रूट 2 इज ए रेशनल नंबर. and here our supposition is wrong. अगर हमारा सोचना गलत था कि रूट 2 रेशनल नंबर है तो सही क्या है कि दिस implies that रूट 2 is an irrational number. We come to know that our supposition is wrong, hence रूट 2 is an irrational number. Okay, now let us take another example. We are going to prove root 3 is an irrational number with the help of contradiction method. So see here, let root 3 is a rational number. So when root 3 is a rational number, then it is in the form of p upon q. The root 3 is equal to a upon b. A and b are co-primes. Squaring both sides. So square of root 3 is what? 3. 3 is equal to a square upon b square. By cross multiplication, 3b square is equal to a square. Now see this step once again very carefully. जब आप यहाँ से 3 को ट्रांसफर करेंगे आपको क्या मिलेगा? 3 डिवाइड्स a स्क्वायर. 3 किसको डिवाइड कर रहा है? a स्क्वायर को. तो 3 अगर a स्क्वायर को डिवाइड कर रहा है तो 3a को भी डिवाइड करेगा. 3 डिवाइड्स a. A is divided by 3. So therefore A is the multiple of what? Now 3. Therefore A is equal to 3C. C is any integer. Again squaring both sides. A square is equal to 9C square. What is the value of A square? You can see A square is 3B square now. So see, what is the value of A square? A square is 3B square is equal to 9C square. 3 1 जा 3, 3 3 जा 9. B square is equal to 3C square. Implies that. अब फिर से इस स्टेप को ध्यान से देखिए. 3 divides B square. 3 divides B. This is 7. Once again, from first and second we come to know that our supposition is wrong. हमारा सोचना गलत था. क्या सोचा था? कि रूट 3 एक रेशनल नंबर है. ये सोचकर हम चले थे जो गलत हुआ तो इसका मतलब है रूट 3 is an irrational number. Now dear students, with the help of this lecture you can easily solve, you can easily prove that root 7, root 5, root 6 are irrational numbers. So try yourself. Thank you very much.